Stay tuned because I'm going to take you step by step on how to achieve this look. Hey everyone, so here I am before the transformation and this hair has got to go. Now, I'm not really sure why the camera was so close, but let me back up. There it goes, there it goes. So this is step one. I've already washed my hair and conditioned it, and so now I'm going to get ready to put in some leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is Revlon Black Seed Oil Strengthening Butter Cream, and let me tell y'all, this thing smells so good. Oh my gosh. And it is really, it's not heavy. I do use a little bit more than recommended just because my hair is very thick, and so I need to make sure that it is evenly distributed throughout my whole head. So after putting in the leave-in conditioner, I go ahead and use a wide tooth comb to go ahead and comb through my hair. I want to make sure that I get all the tangles out that I didn't get with my fingers when I use my fingers to comb through my hair during deep conditioning. And I find that this is really helpful, especially when it comes to blow drying and flat ironing my hair, because I like the silky smooth feel, not the rough, crisp, rugged feel, if that makes sense. You know, kind of like Brillo pad feel. I like the smooth feel. So the next step is to part my hair in 4 ways and get ready to blow dry my hair. So with my blow dryer, I don't have a fancy expensive one. You don't need, you know, something so fancy and expensive. I just got one that has enough power in it to get through my thick hair. And then also I make sure that the blow dryer does come with a detachable comb, because like I said, I like the silky feel, and using that detachable comb definitely helps to achieve that feel. And of course here I just have to go through it a couple of times before I know that it is dry for sure. And there you go. So that is the dry look. And the next step, once I blow dry my hair, I still keep it in 4 parts, and I use the Silk Infusion by Chi. I will make sure to leave the links to all the products used in my video today in the description box below. Ooh, that's a little bit too much, but I put that on and I just massage it through my hair from root to the end, especially focusing on the ends, especially with my hair because it's colored. Just to make sure I get it evenly distributed with moisture. And then I twist it up and put it in a little knot. And then I go to the next part of my hair. And what I do with my little knot is I secure it with a bobby pin. You can use a hair tie, bobby pin, whatever it is that you use just to secure the knot. And then there you go. And then you just repeat that step throughout the rest of the parts of your hair. And as you can see, I just sped everything up because it's repetitive, and I'm sure y'all don't want to see this in slow motion, but I'm pretty sure y'all get the picture. Just go through each part. Make sure that each part is fully dry before you put your moisturizer on and before you put it in a knot. Just do this to all 4 parts and you're good to go to the next step. So after fully drying my hair, I take the 2 parts in the back and I comb them into one big section. Oh, and yeah, we definitely have to get that section. Now it's time for the flat iron. Before I flat iron my hair, I make sure to use Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. And all I do is just spray it evenly to the section that I'm getting ready to flat iron. So now I'm going to section my hair off into little sections, and make sure you have a bobby pin and pin your hair. I'm also going to use a fine tooth comb and basically just comb through the little tangles that the wide tooth comb wasn't able to get. So here is where you want to use some technique in the wrist. So your wrist game got to be popping, and you can see you got to twist to get that defined curl. So you'll just continue to repeat those steps throughout the rest of that section, and then once you do that, your hair will actually come out like this. So I like my hair to have body and volume, so the curls do that for me. As you can see, it's bouncy, and the curls will eventually fall when you wrap your hair, but it'll also leave your hair with a lot of volume and a lot of bounce, and that's how I like my hair to be. I like the full look, you know. Yeah, so you definitely want to be careful with the flat iron. I normally have the flat iron on the highest temperature because, again, like I said, my hair is thick. So in order to get that silky feel that I like, the smooth feel, I put it on the highest temperature. It might not be the healthiest thing, especially being that I have a very light color in my hair. But if you take care of your hair the way you're supposed to, keep it conditioned, moisturized, you'll be fine. In these clips, you're just gonna see me just finishing off that back section. The back section, I feel like it's always the longest, and then once I get through the back section, it's like a breeze from there. If you have any questions or any like recommendations that you do on your hair, make sure you comment down below. Leave them in the description. Leave them in the comment section below. And like I said, I'll make sure to put all the products that I use in this video in the description box below. Also, if you are enjoying this video and you want more videos like this on how-to, lifestyle, beauty videos, things like that, comment down below, message me, follow me on my Instagram, the KimmyNicole, and I'll be sure to get back to you and implement your suggestions. As long as they align with my vision of the channel, I am open for all suggestions. And yeah, so I'm just excited about this video. I had a really fun time filming this video. So as you can see, I am finally done with my hair, and all I'm going to do is use some more of that Silk Infusion to get some shine going, and I'm just going to put it all throughout my hair and just pat it down, shake it up, and crunch it. Not really crunch it because it's not crunchy at all. It's very, very soft. And it feels very smooth. It leaves your hair feeling very smooth. Yeah, I'm just loving my hair right now. It's like once I do my hair like freshly done, it feels so good. And as you can see, once I get my hair done, it's a whole mood, it's a whole vibe, and this is the final result. So I have curls, I have bounce, I have volume. I mean, I just love it, you guys. I just love it. And if you love it too, let me know by liking this video, making sure you're in the comments. I definitely appreciate it. Oh, be careful. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications because you know the videos are coming back to back. And this month is my birthday month, so yeah, the videos are gonna